morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So children, welcome to the moral science class now. So children, today we will do book 5. Today we will read the chapter from book 5 and the topic is I am responsible. I am responsible. So let's get started now. So we will read the chapter about I am responsible, for which we have a story from Dadima's Corner. Dadima will tell you about the importance of being responsible. So children, we should always be responsible. We should not be careless. Right? So there is a story on it. Rohan was careless about everything. He lost his belongings. Belongings means his own things. Okay. So he always lost his things. He reached late. One day he got up late for school. He could not find his notebook. When he found it, he missed his bus. At school, his facilitator asked about the homework. Rohan had forgotten to complete his homework. He had to complete his homework in the class. In the evening, his friends called him to play cricket. He was taking a nap, so he could not reach on time. So see, in this story, Rohan is very careless, right? He always wake up late for the school. He never does his homework at home. And he never keeps his books and copies properly also. When his friend called him to play, he was taking a nap. So he could not reach on time. See, his teacher is scolding him. Why? When your teacher gives you any homework, you should complete it at home. Right? Yes or no? This is the homework which your teacher gives. It is for your practice. So we should always do our homework at home so that we will be very much particular about the studies. We must be very much practiced with the studies also. So what Rohan did? Rohan never completes his homework at home. And see, the teacher is scolding him. Next. When he reached the playground, his friend had started playing. They did not give him a chance to play. Rohan felt very bad. He decided that he would act more responsibly. So, when he went to the playground to play with his friends, see, all his friends are playing, but Rohan is not playing. He is standing here idle because his friend has not given him a chance to play. Because why? Why didn't they give the chance? Because he was not on time. He came late. They were waiting for him and then they started their games. So, we should always be particular about the time also. Everything should be done in a proper time. Right? So children, always try to be very particular, very responsible about your things, about your behavior, about your time and everything. So our first and most important responsibility is our studies. Now we are small kids. We should always do our studies properly. We should always listen to our teacher, our parents, so that we can be a very good human being in our future. See, now Rohan realized his mistake and he decided to act responsibly. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is we must always act responsibly. Right? So children, you also be very much careful about your things, about your studies, about your behavior, and about your work that you must do in a given time and a particular time, right? So children, I will give you the worksheet related to this chapter. You will write it down in your copy with a very proper handwriting, with the proper date and the topic, and mention in the copy as I have done it. Okay, and you will complete your work, and I will check it in your next class. So till then, thank you. Bye bye children.